Beginner Soap Making, the cold process method. We will begin our course by first introducing you to the definition of soap and the reasons to make handmade soap. Then we will dive into all that goes into soap making, how to make soap, and how to design your own recipes. You'll learn about the differences in soap making methods, the tools and equipment you'll need, fats and oils, lye and safety considerations, how to line a wood mold, and scenting and coloring your soap. You'll also learn about soap making basics. You'll see a demonstration video on soap making. You'll also see different easy recipes as well as how to design your own recipe. You'll learn curing and packaging soap and troubleshooting.